My loves. Welcome to another weekly vlog.
一天想你5遍根本都不够。
Hello, sweet fingers lovers. How have you been? It's been a while. So on today's episode, that's this week's vlog. Like, I started this week like very happy. I started this week grateful. I started this week joyful. And the reason why I'm saying this is because yesterday is Sunday. Yes, yesterday is Sunday. So after church, I went to one of my best friend's place. Like, she did her engagement. And the reason why you're not seeing pictures and videos is because she asked me not to post her pictures and videos yet. And I have to respect that wish. And this is asking my friend. And also this week is also my anniversary week. Yes, this week is also my anniversary. I've been married for 9 years. Send me a DM for your marital advice. Yeah, you know the drill. So, like I said, like I started this week happy. I started this week joyful. I'm happy. I'm thankful. I'm at peace. Like, I've been married 9 years. I have my kids. I have 2 beautiful and healthy kids. I have a boy. I have a girl. I still have my husband. We're growing. We're thriving. We're blessed. Beyond blessed. But most especially, like, I'm thankful. I'm grateful. So this week I'll be making my hair. So right now I'm about to just wash my hair. Yes, I'm about to wash my hair. And also tomorrow I'll be making my hair. Next tomorrow I'm doing my nails, my lash. Like, basically it will just be like a skincare, you know, like upkeep. I was thinking of going to the spa. I think I'm having like a breakout. It's the time of the month. Yeah, I'm having like a breakout. So, but I don't think it will be possible because of my schedule and the rest. And also I think on Friday, yeah, me and my husband were going on a date. And tomorrow, like, no, on Saturday we're going on a date. That's between me and my husband. While on Friday I'll be going to the market to get, what is it called, to get my husband's gift. Yeah, my husband sent me DM. Like, we spoke about which gift we like to exchange for each other, and my husband told me he wants like a particular senator. Like, he told me he wants two, but your girl is broke. Send me money. Please send me money. So I'll be going to the market to get my husband his gift, and definitely I'll be vlogging. Then on Saturday we'll be going on a date. On Sunday we're having our ADC fixed day. That's lectures. So I'll be definitely be vlogging. So all throughout this week is vlog, and you really need to watch it to the end, because this is like, really, I have interesting things for you guys to see. Yeah, interesting things for you guys to see. So let's go wash my hair together. All done. Okay, so I'm just going to apply leave-in conditioner. Then this spray is just for basically dandruff, and then for itching, that's for scalp, and then hair oil. Then my hair is a little bit wet. lovers, good morning, Sweet Fingers lovers. On today's episode, I'm home alone. I'm home alone. And what I'm doing today is just basically I've been working on my meal plan. I know few vlogs ago, like few months ago, I announced that we'll be launching our meal plan, and our meal plan will be launched this week. Yes, so today I'm home alone. I just want to make sure I finish my meal plan. My kids are off to school, and this meal plan took me weeks to do. So I just want to say it's going to be available in few days. Please purchase my meal plan. It has over 90 recipes. If you're streamed with recipe guide, this book is for you. So kindly purchase my meal plan. And let me just show you what I've been working on. So buy my meal plan and God bless you. So bye. Hello Sweet Fingers lovers. On today's episode, we're going to the market together. Like I mentioned earlier, we're going to Lagos Island to pick up my husband's gifts. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing a tee and a jean. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing. So let's go to the market together.